Hello guys, welcome to Phoenix Informations. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple trick that you can use with just a simple click and exponentially speed up your browser. This trick involves removing the extensions from your Chrome browser because at times I find my laptop lagging since Chrome takes a lot of RAM to run. And by reducing its content packages, such as some extensions, you'll end up increases the processing speed of the PC as some of processing power is freed up. To remove the extensions from Chrome browser, first, you should have the browser shortcut on the desktop. Then right-click on the shortcut icon and select Properties. At the Target section, add the text Disable Extensions at the end of the target link. With no spaces in between, start with --disable-extensions. And click Apply, then OK, and you're done. Once you open the shortcut, it opens a lightweight browser without extensions. To revert back to your original browser, just remove the added text to the target link on the Properties section of Chrome browser shortcut.